Hi, this is Charlie at My Messy Fingers. I did a video earlier on how to assemble this album, but what I forgot to include in that video was my pages. This gusset will fit 2 pages because I'm allowing for a 5/8 of an inch gusset in between each two. The page lengths are going to be 10 3/8 each by 8 3/8 in height. Now when I insert these, I'm going to insert the first one here along this edge of the chipboard, and then I'm going to come in behind it with the second page, and then it should leave. I should have a 5/8 gusset here, a 5/8 gusset here, and then a 5/8 space here when I get done, or at least pretty close to. I like to turn my albums so that I can see how I'm laying them. I'm trying to match up to the 6-inch piece that I cut earlier. I'm going to lay this in here and then press. And hopefully it's going to lay down straight. If it doesn't, now is a good time for me to correct that. And it doesn't quite, so I am going to straighten it out by rescoring the edge. Okay, and then I'm going to lay in the second piece. I apologize for this. I got ahead of myself. So here we go with this piece. I'm just going to come right up underneath that score mark. Wow, I am way off. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, that's because I'm not where I'm supposed to be, I think. There we go. Goodness sakes, what a goofy girl. So my pages are laying straight. You can see I've got a 5/8 of an inch spacing here. I have a 5/8 gusset here. And then I have my 5/8 of an inch gusset here. And then when the album itself closes, these pages will come roughly 3/8 of an inch from the edge. That will allow for some buildup to take place on the end of the papers. And so that will complete the album build. And again, I apologize for missing that on the earlier video. We'll see you on the next one.